Welcome to Richard Mabey Presents.
To the famous Morris Boulevard. Circles like the Daytona 500 here. This is really busy place here. It's like coming out of the pits of the Daytona 500. It's so scary. Yeah, too many people here. It's dangerous. Wow.
You gotta go and you gotta break.
You gotta go and you get
sitting there.
a millisecond break.
You're still sitting there.
Yeah.
I know you would be. Look at the traffic.
Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic.
You can't just sit there.
No. There's too many people here.
Oh, shut up about that. It's not. Jeez.
Hello, YouTube friends. This is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents. I'm with my sister Patty. She's driving. Appreciate it very much. It is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Got the old Bucky hat on. And it is now 4 minutes to 3 p.m. And we've got a laundry list of errands to run.
We got two things to do. Laundry list. Jeez. Gotta go to the post office and the library. Laundry list.
So anyway, we're on 466A headed to Wildwood. So without further ado, I'm gonna swish it around and check out anything that's happening here, new developments.
The water's coming down. Wow.
You're right, the water is coming down.
Wow.
And there's some folks playing golf there. Now here's what it's really getting on my nerves.
Big blue truck and pick them up.
I mean, come on, people. But how? When was the hurricane? I mean,
About 3 weeks ago. You got Sumter County picking it up, Richard. And they only pick up so much in a day.
I guess so. All right, I'm gonna put my hats away. Okay, Dad's first gear hat, my old Lincoln Park hat, old Mickey Mouse. Let's see here, Bumblebee, little Tommy. I love this. My Boy Scout Tennessee patch that Jack Floyd gave me. Donald Duck, and I got a new patch. I'm only gonna keep this on temporarily. It's got this.
I don't care. They can get faded.
Yeah, I'm not gonna cry.
Yeah, you will.
This is the Boonton District Boy Scouts Cub Scout 1982, and it has the little Native American boy on it and the Boy Scout patch. I just really like the gray and yellow combo.
Before I have our garage, so you gotta take all that stuff down. Oh, the comic books and those patches, because I'll sell them. Somebody wants to buy them, I'll sell them. So you better take them down.
I'll take them down. I'll take them down.
I'd like to sell that picture. But
which one?
That Indian.
You can't say Indian anymore. It's Native American.
They don't. They're on the reservation. They don't care.
We're gonna get in trouble.
No, we're not.
So at any rate, what would you put on it? The Native American picture.
$5.
Come on, Patty.
It's a piece of junk.
All right. We'll talk about it later. There's
Mom
some
and
more
Dad
shrubs.
At a casino.
All right. Let's.
They got it at El Cortez.
All
It's a
right.
piece of junk.
All right. Let's move on.
I
Let's
could
move
see
on.
if it was something that we've had for years and years and years and years. Our childhood.
I rather like it. I'm rather fond of it.
I don't like it.
All right. We'll move on.
They
10?
scare me. No. 5.
No, it's not going to go for sale.
I'll put it up for sale. You
You'll see.
Yeah, you'll see.
Oh, look at that car. That's a pretty hot car there.
You just want to change the subject.
So come to Florida and sit in red lights. So that's the new motto.
That's everywhere. You heard your cousin Pete. Because you're building all over the place.
So, called my cousin Peter yesterday, and he was a Vietnam. He is a Vietnam veteran, and I said Happy Veterans Day. And he was saying there's big droughts up there in New Jersey.
I told him there was fires. Then he told you there was droughts. Hasn't rained in 62 days or something. The whole Greenwood Lake in New York is totally burnt down. The cottages and everything.
Yeah, so
that's when he told you they didn't have rain for 60-some days.
yeah, I know. So it's a little cloudy out today. Cumulus.
It's late in the day. That's why it's getting cloudy. It's going to be nightfall in a couple hours.
These are the cumulus, and these are the stratosphere clouds. I used to know all this stuff. The puffy ones are cumulus, and the long ones.
The puffy ones that look like Charmin toilet paper. Charmin toilet paper. Are
Cumulus.
cumulus.
And these are stratus. But, you know, I had stuff. What happened was, we're at 304 for gasoline at the Circle K, 304.
It's kind of high. Everybody else was 280 something. Sumter Assistant Senior Living. Oh. Wonder where they are.
You know what I forgot to do?
What?
I forgot to clean the windshield
They
before we
probably
left.
can't even see it's dirty. You're the only one that can see the little cap holes. They're little Opie and Floyd's cap holes.
So,
They keep you in their memory of you. In memory of them. I gotta go a little faster, a little slower here.
so
Looks like that-
Outback is, look, it's ready to go.
No,
That's
it's
all
not
brand
ready
new.
yet.
I'm sorry?
Not yet.
I know, but what I said
We're
was,
gonna close the other one, you know. Now 441.
it's not, that doesn't look as big as the one on 441.
441 got robbed all the time. That's what they say.
Wow.
Well, the cook goes to our church once in a blue moon.
Yeah. Remember my friend Dave came down that time and wedge salad. He loved the wedge salad, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were the good old days. This lady's just staring at me like...
Because you're talking to yourself.
I think it's my animal magnetism.
Yeah, right, okay. Versus what a dope is talking to himself.
So I now have 746 subscribers. So I
it's
need...
higher than that.
No, it's
Somebody
746.
left you again?
I think so. Well, anyway, I checked it this morning. It was
We know who it is.
We have a strong inkling. So anyway,
We know who it is.
746. So I need 254
They
to
probably
start.
think that you don't know. We know who it is.
Who knows?
I wonder why they told you. I guess if you join and drop off so many times, they tell you who it is.
Yeah. So at any rate, I need 254. Here's the library. 254 subscribers.
We could have done this yesterday, but the library was closed.
I know.
And the post office.
I know. Well, you know.
I got another drug over there.
Oh my goodness
I
gracious.
think it's my test strips.
I don't know what they're doing.
I don't think so either. At least the other one made me go on one day.
I know, it's ridiculous.
Jeez.
This is dangerous. How come it's like, what is it? Penny, this old man.
What?
No, nothing. I'm not going to tell you.
I didn't get there yet.
Okay.
If I stopped back there, he would have come around.
I got it.
Jeez.
End of discussion.
Well, you guys, let me do the driving. I thought there was a car right here, an empty spot here. Like these old people never. He's putting a sticker on his car. He's putting the sticker on his car like you're supposed to when you get it. Not wait 2 weeks. Like somebody else does.
You're kind of like a little hyper too.
No, I'm not. Because you want to know what he's doing, and he's being a
I love
good
this
citizen.
library. This is a pretty classy library. Look at that. That golden dome. The golden dome of knowledge.
I'm not going to get any closer.
I know, this is it. This is it.
Don't sing. Thank you.
Look at this guy.
Which one?
The guy that just walked by.
Macho Man?
Yeah, Mr. Hotshot.
I like the guy with the t-shirt that's old.
Okay, folks, gonna go to the library and be right back. So, YouTube friends, we went to the library and had to print out some paperwork, and we sold some items on Mercari. We're back on Mercari. It's EC Mabey, right? ECMAB. That's the name of the store on Mercari. Also, we have only one more book left of Dad's.
Oh, why would you promote it?
Well, just give it a little boost, no?
No, because people.
No, I understand.
I'm disgusted with people with it.
Okay. So anyway, at the library, I got this book. Took out this book. I'm looking forward to reading this.
Oh, yeah, like you read books.
Native Americans in Florida. So this.
Rich, can you give us a little info on the last book you read?
I sure can. This is by Kevin M.
right.
McCarthy, Native Americans in Florida, and I'm looking forward to reading this book.
Yeah, right. He looks at the pictures, folks. That's all he does.
So, yeah, we're on 466A.
We live on this road.
We live on this road, heading from Wildwood, going to Fruitland Park. I almost said Florham Park. Fruitland
I
Park.
should have went the other way and went to that post office. Then I could have got my drugs.
Yeah.
No, well.
It really breaks my heart to say this. Maybe I'll just skip it.
Wow, how stupid CBS is.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just skip it. Skip the whole thing.
I'll really go off.
Yeah. There's the.
I can't believe they're so dumb.
Oh, they're dumb. They're a bucket of rocks. There's the Villages Morris Boulevard sign. Rather attractive sign there. And we've been on the road a short time, but still have not seen a Ford Ranger truck yet.
We've seen a lot of Nissans.
A lot of Nissans, yeah. So,
I don't think they make the. Oh yeah, they do. They brought it back, but they have the Maverick.
the Maverick.
I haven't even seen the Maverick, right?
Yeah. I really like this patch. The way I put cellophane on it to keep it nice, so it reflects. But this is Cub Scout Gold Rush,
It's gotta go on
1982.
Macquarie next week.
I can't get the. There it is. There, I can
It's
probably
gonna go
stretch
on
it.
Macquarie next week. Oh,
I wonder what it's worth. Okay, 82, 92, 02, 12, 22. It's 42 years old. This patch, I'm gonna stretch it there. This patch is like new. It's in brand new shape, near mint shape, and it's 42 years old. That's pretty amazing, you know. Yeah. So
we got Boy Scout patches on Corey next week.
yeah. Well, I would say it's worth at least $5.
No.
42 years old?
You're gonna probably get only $2 for that badge.
Yeah, but it's very rare. It's like
It doesn't matter if it's rare or not. People are not not going to pay $5 because Richard maybe thinks it's worth $5. They'll pay $2. Jeez. And if you get a collector, they may pay $3.
I see. So, this is the people playing golf there.
I think they're putting, isn't it?
Are they putting?
Is that just a putt place?
I don't know.
It's golf.
So,
Is that Kentucky? Wow.
is it?
Looks like Kentucky. It's ENTUKY.
Oh, I think it's Kentucky.
I can't see the K. The K is two swords. Okay. Kentucky.
So-
It is Kentucky.
Kentucky may well be the only state in the United States of America that copyrighted the name Kentucky. Hence, Kentucky Fried Chicken
Can't use Kentucky.
needed to change
The name.
its common usage of the name to KFC.
That's probably why they did it.
Yeah.
They wanted money. They wanted money.
I
money.
wonder, Neil Diamond wrote and sang that song, Kentucky Woman.
What about Kentucky Derby?
Oh, Kentucky Derby!
Oh no, they call it the Derby now, don't they?
They call it the Derby,
The
yeah.
Derby now.
The Derby.
Huh.
So-
Well, we haven't been at this end for a while. I wonder how far they got
I know.
with that house.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they got the
Look at their,
insulation on.
wow. They're moving right along here.
That's
That
gonna
is
be
a
some
mansion.
house.
That's a mansion. Look at that mansion.
Look at the one in the back.
That's
Holy
a mansion.
moly,
Look at
that
that.
man.
You know, electric.
Oh, you know what?
Strata.
It's not going to be a house. It's going to be the
Clubhouse?
clubhouse.
Yes.
And then they're going to put apartments in there.
Yeah, on top.
Because down below they started building garages, like a row garage.
Yeah.
So it's going to be an apartment place.
Wow. So, at any rate,
There's a Ram truck.
yeah,
That's a Dodge.
yeah. It's too high for me. It's too high up for me.
I couldn't get in it.
I might have a rough time myself. I'm getting so old now.
The guy's right on the other guy's bumper.
Yeah, I know. You know, look at me. I'm Mr. Hotshot. You know.
He's got each cylinder. The guy in front of him's only got a
Yeah.
4.
So, there's the animal veterinarian hospital.
How do you get in there?
I don't know. There's the rodeo. I know, that's a good question. So, at any rate, it's Tuesday, and just 1 week ago today was the big election.
Oh,
You know?
yeah.
Yeah, 1 week ago today.
Wow.
Yeah.
The people at Sam's, Mrs. at Sam's, it was so funny. He goes, I haven't seen you guys at Sam's. It was funny.
I know. They're nice people.
It was so funny.
Yeah.
I haven't seen you guys at Sam's. What are you doing? Saving your money? I said, no, we're shopping somewhere else.
Yeah. They're two of the nicest people in the church, I think.
They're funny.
I like
The first
them.
time I saw him at Sam's, he had no clue who
I
I
know.
was. But he was nice. He talked to me anyway.
What's his name?
Dan.
Dan. How can I
And Linda.
remember that? Dan and Linda. Dan. How am I going to remember that?
I don't know.
Elton John song, Daniel, My Brother.
Oh, jeez.
Look at this, is so sad. This will break your heart.
He's homeless.
Oh, dear, but for the grace of God, go I.
No, he's gonna cross this.
Oh no, don't, please. Oh,
I won't tell you,
I'm
but
gonna
he's gonna
cry. What's wrong with America?
He's crossing it the other way now.
He's probably a veteran. But even if he's not a veteran, I mean, we should not have this problem in the wealthiest nation on the
We're
planet.
not wealthy no more.
Are we not?
That's just a figment of everybody's imagination.
Just something people say.
Just what the people think they are.
Yeah, so you see more and more homeless people anymore. What are they giving away at the post office?
Because it's late in the day. They close in a half hour. Everybody that works comes to the post office at 4 o'clock.
My house is still for sale. You gonna get it?
Well, yeah, I gotta
Okay.
get it.
So anyway, we're coming into the.
You should have just left.
This is big news, folks.
February.
February. The sign.
They got a new sign, Speedway Park.
They got a brand new sign. You saw it first on Richard Mabey Presents. So the sign.
February. Wow.
Well, it's been blocked up.
Yeah, but it's Christmas and Thanksgiving, so they probably.
Yeah.
And then New Year.
Yeah. It says 25.
Right.
So not till February 25. But this property here, they must have sold this. They've sold this corner lot.
Yep.
I hope they don't take the Speedway Park away.
They will.
I better get my.
No, you better go down there.
Yeah, but now it's not till February.
So you can go February. Jeez. Save your pennies and go. Little Richie.
I would say
Save your pennies and go, little Richie.
it was expensive, wasn't it?
It's a measly $20.
Look at this
Yeah,
mansion.
it's gonna be. It's not
That's
a
the
mansion.
that's
That's
the
a clubhouse.
the clubhouse.
And then they're gonna build. See how they got the
Yeah,
apartments
this is-
started? They're gonna build apartments in there. That might be where the low housing's going.
Look, they're building back there. Did you see it?
No, that might be where the low housing.
Wow.
I would say
Oh
that's where the low housing's going.
goodness. This farmer's gonna sell this soon. I guarantee you.
He probably did already. He was holding out a couple years back.
yeah.
Remember?
You turned the villages down.
Yep. But you don't like the villages, so that's right. Yeah, I don't like these gas stations that don't have their signs out now.
I know.
And 7-Eleven's noted for it, doing it now.
I know. Thank heaven for 7-Eleven. Batter Bee Roofing.
Because that one on 441-27, theirs is knocked down too. I wonder if they're owned by Russians. I heard they're
7-Eleven?
I heard they're owned by Russians.
Oh man, I don't know. I just don't
I
know.
have to look it up. Someone said it's a Russian company.
Yeah, you gotta watch when you talk about the Russians.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know that. I know, but you gotta watch it with them. You know, it's like-
Richard, everybody's not. Look, oh God, you gotta watch it.
Here's the Colony Plaza sign.
Now, if I said Tire Choice was owned by Germany, then you could say, ooh, what? Wow, hey, they're closed. Oh no,
What?
there's no people in there. There's all dark. There's 2 cars, and I bet you that McDonald's is closed. There's only 2 cars in the old McDonald's.
Bob Evans, they don't do well there.
McDonald's looked like it was closed.
Wow. Yeah,
2
just
cars.
went over the line a little bit.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, a little bit.
No, he didn't.
There's another the Colony. See, the Villages, Colony Plaza, Publix. Oh man. Imagine calculating how much time you spend on red lights in 1 year. You know?
Mm-hmm. That FedEx we've been following because it was at the
Yes.
post office and all too. They must have delivered their mail. They delivered the mail to the mailboxes.
FedEx?
She brought a package in.
Wow. Oh man. All of a sudden I'm tired. It's 4:05 in the afternoon.
You're tired. You just woke up.
Maybe just woke up.
Okay, you woke up 3 hours ago.
No, I just come on, Patty. Don't. That's not right.
Okay, 4 hours ago.
There's the Walgreens.
I think they're smarter than CVS.
I know. I know.
I got a little nervous when that pharmacist said she hasn't been in circulation in 14 years.
I know.
And they hired her as the pharmacist. I was like, ooh, okay.
Look at all the shrubbery. This really aggravates me to no end.
Why don't you go rent a pickup truck and clean it up there?
Yeah, they'd probably give me a ticket.
Well, if it bothers you that much,
Look
I
at
would
it.
do that. I mean, you're right about it.
Here's another golf course. This pond is,
Ew, it's green.
it's like disgusting.
Yeah.
It's so slime.
There's an alligator. There's another alligator.
Yeah,
2 alligators.
see-
See the heads?
I saw the heads. It's ridiculous.
All you do is complain. I would have a massive heart attack, and you'd have nobody driving you around if you one day had a positive attitude. That water's full.
Yeah, that's full. I don't see many people on the golf courses anymore. You know that?
Well, it's kind of supper time for them.
Yeah, they go to the restaurants.
They go to the restaurants early, and then they go down to the squares, and they probably
Square.
close. They probably won't let you tee you off at 4 o'clock.
Right.
It gets dark at 5:30.
Yes. Yeah, that's
So
right.
you have to be off the field. So last tee off time is probably about 3:30, 3:45, knowing that you can make 9 holes, and you know what I mean.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
There's people on this side. Maybe this side's closed for some reason.
Maybe it could be.
That water is high.
Yes, it is. It's very high.
Maybe they pump it in from the other places. So they're over there playing.
Yeah.
So you know that out of 27 holes, they close.
Right. They close.
9 holes.
Yeah. I couldn't even play 9 holes anymore. My heart is so bad.
Oh, jeez.
Look at all the golf carts coming at you. All the golf carts all over
Just
the
wishes
place.
he had one.
No, not really. I mean,
Yeah, you do.
no, not really.
See, they probably have this one closed because they're.
That's what it
wetting
is. Yeah, that's what it is.
sidewalk.
It's closed. Look at that. This is a disgrace.
Why don't you just go get a truck and do it instead of complaining about it? Jeez. Other
The sun is so bright.
way, the other. It's OTHERWME. Other woman? Oh, the other woman! I got it! The other woman. In other words, he's married, but this car is his other woman.
Oh, I see.
Other
yeah,
woman?
other woman. Yeah,
That was funny. Dingbat.
I know. What a moron.
That's so stupid to put on my plate.
I know. Look at that. He's got a creep and crawl.
Who?
This one right here, creeping and crawling.
Well, the other woman's going to pull out in front of him. 'Cause he
Yeah.
got on his bumper. So we're going to have a race.
I tell you, no respect for the law. No respect for the law.
Shut up. Who cares? You'd still be down at that circle trying to get across.
What is that show? They call it The Neighborhood.
I don't know when it's on. Because we don't get no channels. I just
It's like
get,
they got the black family and the
know
white
when it's
family.
on.
It's,
I don't know when it's on.
okay.
Maybe it's on Monday nights, maybe it's on Wednesday night. I don't know.
Well, when do we get it available for streaming?
I really don't know. I just turn it on and I have it.
Yeah.
What's the point?
Well, I just, you know, Well, it's not
a
as
stupid
funny as
show.
it's not as funny
It's
as
a
it used to
stupid
be.
show anymore.
It's getting really dumb. But it was funny.
They dropped the other one with Bob Hart's whatever.
They did?
Yes.
Heart to Hearts, what they call it.
Bob Hart.
Yeah.
Alabashella, whatever her name was.
Yeah.
Yeah, they canceled that.
Well, that kid was the kid wasn't cute anymore.
It doesn't matter. They could have still done it.
Yeah, I know.
She was going to college to be a doctor. All right.
All right. Where you go? Oh, okay, folks. Be back in a little bit. Not the healthiest food in the world, but we stopped off at the Burger King. They have this great print here of an old train in Wildwood. And this old man is coming in here. So I just wanted to film this. It's like I just love this picture. I just absolutely love this picture. So YouTube friends, it's roughly about 4:45, and it's a long story. We had to go back to CVS. So we're back on 466A, headed home. Oh, the new with the new bank or something there.
I think it's Fifth Third Bank.
Yeah, Fifth Third Bank. Yeah. So all afternoon had not seen one Ford Ranger truck. There's a hot Corvette. It's worth a fortune, that Corvette.
Not that one.
Not that one?
Only the one Pete's got. It's a specially made one. Another golf course here. This golf course is something back there.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, behind the store is next to
There's the Outback. That's just going to be open.
That's gonna, see it? It's huge.
Yes. Oh my goodness gracious.
I wonder if that's going to be Costco's.
Wow. They need a big parking lot.
It probably has a big parking lot. That's like a big factory back there.
Wow. It could be.
Maybe they lost the one on 466, so they're going to build it here.
Could be, yes.
Because this is centrally located for the people way down there. You know what I mean?
I know. Here's a bridge I like.
With the waters, the grass has started growing in.
I know. It's like you can see hints. I'm not going to say a whole lot, but...
Wow, that grass has grown right in the water. The alligators like that, they were well hidden.
Tired.
Whatever. Look at the old police car.
Oh, look at the old police car. Now that's cool. That's cool. I would make that into like an Andy Griffith Mayberry.
It must be a taxi because he's got the
Maybe, yeah, maybe it's a taxi. It was raining hard in Frisco. I needed one more fare to make my
okay,
night.
We don't need to sing.
Okay, I wasn't singing. Just lady up ahead waved to pull me down.
Okay,
she got out of the rain.
All right, wrap it up. Wrap it up. Because we've seen this 3 times.
All right, let's just do the lyrics to Taxi, please. Where you going to, my lady fair? It's a shame you ruined your gown in the rain. And then she said, how are you, Harry? I said, how are you, Sue? Through the too many miles and the too little smiles, I still remember you.
I think it's a taxi. Don't.
No. It is. It's like it's an old police car.
Yeah.
Wow.
they have a telephone number on the back. So
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's a taxi. But then
Yeah.
you know what happens when you assume. When you get in the back seat of this car, you're dead. It'll find you. Why do we all slow up real fast?
I know.
It's like, what was it? We're doing like 50 miles an hour and then
She was gonna be an actress, and I was gonna learn to fly. We both gotten what we'd asked for such a long, long time ago. And now she's acting in her castle. Cattle. I wonder if Bob's on.
no, the other guy was on, remember?
Al?
Yeah. Neither one of them come out anymore. So it doesn't
I know, it's
matter.
ridiculous. As soon as we pass by Al,
Why don't you
let's
just
judge.
hang it up now? That way we don't have to deal with that. We're going to have to sit twice now for the light.
All right. Oh, man. So, YouTube friends, thus ends another fun-filled, exciting, educational YouTube video of Richard Mabey Presents.
Boring.
I thank my sister Patty for driving. Appreciate it very much. So, please.
If you need to go to sleep, just put this on and you'll be asleep in 5 seconds.
So please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Stop begging. It's not becoming.
So like, comment, and subscribe. And as Roy Rogers would say, wait, is it Happy Trails first?
Happy trails until we meet again.
Happy Trails until we meet again. Bye for now.